Hi, welcome to my house at Christmas. Come on in. I want you to meet my dear friend, Jeff Latham, who is responsible for designing this beautiful place. He is the artistic director of Jeff Latham Designs. You were like Mr. Christmas, but all year
King
long.
of Christmas, but we have so much fun.
All my kids and myself look forward to Christmas every year now because Jeff decorates our houses and we get so excited. So I'm gonna show you a couple things that he's done this year that blew me away. Really the start of Christmas is the loading in of the Christmas tree. And it's amazing how much organization and production goes into just getting the trees inside and getting them lit.
It took us literally like almost 24 hours just to light everything. Because we don't just throw the lights on, we go in and then we tie each branch and we pull them in and we go out. And then we climb up on ladders and we have people holding people, and it's this whole process that takes days. You know, you've seen so many amazing displays in your home over the years, so bringing the tree in is always like a big deal.
And I think one of the fun things is just deciding on what the theme of the tree is going to be, because that sets the tone for the entire house. I said I want to do something with candy, and he came up with this, and it's like, wow!
The whole aspect of this beautiful black and white marble floor with the red and white of the tree, it's about shape, it's about color. The theme is Candyland chic. Candyland with a K. Candyland with a K chic.
Duh.
Yeah, hello.
So you want to show him the living room?
Let's go.
So this living room started with 3 beautiful reindeer that we found, and when we discovered that they actually had moving antlers, that was really exciting. We love these so much that he also recreated it at Chloe's house in Cleveland this year, which he just finished
with
a couple
live
days ago.
snow, like cutting down the tree in the forest. Exactly.
I know. Well, we don't have live snow, so we did the second best thing. And he created this. Look what you did here. Tell me about this.
Well, the whole design of this room is so clean and pure. We really wanted to focus and not take away from the room itself, but add an art installation. So instead of doing garland, how we have in years past, we created this sculpture. We like creating things that obviously are Christmas, but something that you could actually like leave up.
I love the stockings with the fireplace, and it kind of just goes with the whole room. And the reindeer haven't been named yet. I wanted to do something obvious like Dancer and Prancer, but Mason and Penelope and Rain and Saint and North are gonna choose some names, so I can't wait for that. So now the best thing this year for Christmas, and the thing I'm most excited about, is my beautiful red bear. Jeff is very famous for these amazing magical animals. He called me from Paris one day and said, we have this shot at getting the guy from Paris to make you a bear.
And they're actual pieces of art. I mean, when you see, we've never had one of these in the United States. It was important for us that people saw the bear and saw the tree at the same time. They're an installation together, actually.
Mason decided it's a boy, and his name is Christmas.
It's Christmas. So Christmas is here. Christmas is really my time where we're actually able to play with sculpture and design a little bit more. So it's our most favorite time of the year.
Yes, and wait till you see what he did with my table. So every year, I'm really kind of crazy because I like to set the table and kind of leave it that way for the whole time. I enjoy looking at my dishes and bringing everything out, and it means it's the holidays. This year, I went with plaid. Plaid is very traditional, and it reminds me of being in the mountains. It's very Tommy Hilfiger or Ralph Lauren, you know, that kind of a feel. So I mixed the plaid with snowmen this year. I found these great snowman plates, and they look so good together, but then I really added the glam factor with these gorgeous Christoffel eggs that are so stunning. And inside is an entire set of silverware, which I did the gold with the plaid because I thought it was so dramatic.
You like to mix things together so that there's multi-usage, and
layers.
Exactly.
I like layers.
So we wanted to go off the colors of the plates with the snowman and obviously the gold. Usually we do a lot of white flowers in the house, But obviously this year, going off of the whole feeling of the tree and the bear, with the plaid, we used, just color block these beautiful mounds of red roses with a touch of black calla just to add that naughty or nice Christmas. For us, it's really about whimsical. It's about fun. It's about family. So it's about sitting at a table and just being excited to be there.
Yes.
So that's why we played with the roses hanging from the chandelier. It's the tradition with that aspect of mid-century modern and cool. And so this is a table that I'll probably be at a lot.
Yeah.
She'll be like, why, Jeff, why are you at my table? You let Jeff in the gate.
I know, he just won't
He's just
leave.
sitting there, he won't leave.
doesn't leave, ever. We don't want to leave you guys, but he's got a lot of decorating to do. So
We're running around.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.